Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW. It could be almost any year, make and model BMW. Especially anything after year 2000 guys. If you need to remove or replace side view mirrors, stay with us, we'll cover the basics, what needs to be done, what to expect and how to look for hidden bolts guys, and what often people break when trying to remove or replace side view mirror. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos for you. If you need to buy any parts to use for a really good price and quick shipping guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's go ahead and explain now, okay, what needs to be done, okay, to actually remove side view mirror, okay, on a BMW. This is the mirror guys, okay, you can see most of the BMW mirrors will attach with 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3 guys, okay. Often you'll be able to see 2 and 1 will be almost always hidden. I don't know why. But if you look, okay, right here, that's it, 1, 2, 3 bolts. What you will need to do, in most cases, you need to remove the door panel. You need to be extremely careful because often on the door panel under the trim pieces, you will have hidden screw like one here, and that's the lightning tube, and if you put on the bottom, you will break them. Those are super breakable, and your lights will not work, the ambient lights on the inside. You will need to remove the door panel often to get only one of the bolts, because they will be hard to get to. The wire you can easily disconnect in most cases. In our case, one bolt is here, one is under that seal hidden right there, and we had another bolt hidden right here on top, and we couldn't see that one because there was a big foam piece here guys, okay, huge foam piece, and that foam piece actually was preventing us, okay, from seeing that bolt. So always make sure that most of the times, 90% of the times, you have 3 bolts, and once you remove those, you need to disconnect the wire. Always have a person to hold the mirror on the last bolts that you're removing, on the last 2, to make sure it doesn't fall and drop and break. And that's how you will guys do it. If you need to see anything specific about BMW, let me know. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.